Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu and a very good evening. I am Khatija Zishan, member of the core SDP team AMP and your host for today's session. On behalf of the AMP team, I welcome you all to the Career Guidance Seminar Phase 2. Today's topic is Career in Travel, Tourism and Hospitality. Before we start the talk, let's catch a glimpse of what AMP is all about. AMP, Amna, can you share the slide, please? Yeah, thank you. AMP stands for Association of Muslim Professionals Striving for Peace and Progress. Next, AMP is a non-profit organization started in the year 2007, registered in India, USA, UK, and Australia. It has been serving our community in the field of education, employment, and empowerment. It has a vision to positively impact lives of 10 million people by 2030, inshallah. AMP's mission is to serve the underprivileged to benefit the society and nation as a whole. AMP's vision to be a model community which is advanced in education, socially progressive, culturally vibrant, politically influential, and economically dynamic. Next. Some of the prominent achievements of AMP under the school development programs, 2,800 plus skill development lectures were delivered, connected with more than 800 schools, 281,000 students were benefited, and more than 100 teachers training and parenting workshops were conducted. Employment Assistance Cell organized 360 plus job fairs and job drives, which helped in the employment of 21,000 plus candidates. More than 200 employability trainings were conducted and 17,000 plus degree students were benefited. Scholarships and self-employment, more than 800 higher education scholarships were sponsored, 860 towards orphans education. More than 400 families were benefited from this program. AMP's Resource Center has 660 plus career counselors and 2,500 plus students have been counseled so far. 50 plus career guidance documents and 1,500 plus career charts can be found. Awards and partnerships, 380 plus renowned educationalists connected and awarded. 50 plus partnerships including state governments and 100 plus partner NGOs. Next. In the year 2020, AMP launched new digital initiatives which include indiazakat.com, the indiamentors.com, and empowerjobs.com. indiazakat.com is India's first Zakat crowdfunding platform where Zakat seekers and Zakat givers are unified. Its objective is to serve the needy. The indiamentors.com is a mentorship portal for students from different backgrounds to be mentored by esteemed members of the community. Students, please register at the indiamentors.com as mentees. It's free. You will be allotted a mentor to guide you with your studies. And empowerjobs.com is a free portal to help job seekers connect with the employers. It also offers skill training and employability training programs. Next. AMP's reach, it has an on-ground presence of more than 140 active chapters in 26 states in 16 countries with 6,000 plus active members. It also has an online presence of 125,000 plus members and professionals connected on various social media platforms. In AMP, visit www.amp.org/joinamp. We also have a YouTube channel. If you have missed anything from today's session or previous sessions, you can always go back and you can find it on our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, please drop it in the Q&A box seen on your screens. We will have Q&A at the end of the session. And now, joining us today as our esteemed speaker is Mr. Syed Najib Qadri. He is a managing director at Brightways Aviation Academy, Hyderabad. He has 24 years of experience in the aviation industry and has worked as a manager for different travel organizations. He has handled Hajj flight operations in Saudi Arabia for 5 years and also worked as a senior trainer in Amadeus GDS company. He has written material books for 2 aviation academies. He visits different academies as a guest lecturer. A very hearty welcome to you, sir, from the AMP team. Thank you. Over to you, sir.
Thank you very much, Khadija. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good evening to all. Good evening, everyone. Myself, Najib. As Khadija has already introduced myself. So today we are going to discuss about the career in travel and tourism and hospitality industry. So as you know, we have it's a very vast industry, travel and tourism industry. Apart from that, not only for travel agency, you can work for different companies like tour operators. Then in airline industry, we have airline companies, airline offices, and again in travel agencies, you can work with to companies or in visa department or travel insurance and ticketing division. So we have vast, what can I say, industry. This is very vast industry. So youngsters definitely they get attracted, and the people who love to travel, it's a very good industry for them. So apart from that, we just see here, I've just made some slides here. So what are the opportunities after doing the courses in this aviation industry? So we have, as I told, first is the airline industry. In airlines, you may able to work on at the airport as a ground staff. There you will be having different departments at the airport, like as a check-in staff or at the baggage, or as a, in operations or at the runway. So again, at the runway, you have different divisions, commercial and non-commercial. And apart from that, you can also work as a salesperson in airlines, either at the city office or at the airport. So you can work for a ground handling company at the airport. And again, you have there are some divisions like security division also will be there. Baggage, loss and found department will be there. So different type of departments and divisions are there at the airport also. You can work there also. And if you talk about the other part, if you have completed uh, any courses in travel and tourism, you can work for big travel corporate companies, OTAs like online travel agencies, like Make My Trip, Yatra, and all. And apart from that, you can also work for corporate companies like Thomas Cook, SOTC, and we have some FCM Travel Solutions, some of the Carlson Wagon. So these are the corporate companies who serve to the corporate clientele. So apart from that, again, in those corporate companies, they'll be having different divisions will be there. Like they'll be having a visa department. They have ticketing department for domestic and international. They'll be handling. They'll be organizing tours, adventure tours, leisure tours, business tours. So different divisions will be there in a travel agency also. So you can work as an executive there, and of course, based on your experience, day by day, the more you learn, you can achieve to become a manager or general manager of the company. And last but not the least, self-employed can work. You can open your own agency, and because of your experience, you have so as if you just see this slide, we have different government organizations and tourism department where they will be having some job opportunities nowadays. Even government of India and other governments also promoting tourism because we have more culture here. So we have a lot of visitors coming out from outside India to visit India with the different heritage places. So they may require more tour guides with translators and all. So nowadays, due to this, incredible India, a lot of new schemes coming from the government of India also. So they do promoting Indian government also promoting tourism. So we have different job openings are there in upcoming years. Now I can understand due to this pandemic, a lot of especially aviation industry has affected a lot, but we are expecting hope that by next year or also we may have lots of openings also will be there, because the traffic is stopped now. Again we are going to restart again maybe in the next coming year. So we are hoping that the industry is again bouncing back. So maybe in 2022 and also we'll be having more visitors, and the graph of the travel and tourism go up again. We are hoping that. And of course for this is the only some of the courses, like where there is no age bar, there is no qualification bar. But of course if it is a graduate, it will be a plus point for the student. Why? Because when they want to when they apply for the jobs, especially at the airport or at the hospitality management, they prefer graduates, so that at the time of promotions, this graduate, if they are a graduate, definitely they'll be having more scopes. So it is advisable after doing this course. This is called as a job-oriented courses also. Why? The moment you complete the course, immediately, if there are job openings nowadays, because the market is quite slow, so they prefer to hire a fresher rather than appointing the experienced person, because in the starting stage, obviously being a trainee, they have to pay less. They'll be paying less, but once you become an experienced person, obviously you can jump into the another organization or big company as per your expectation. So these are the some of the advantages you have. So this is called as a job-oriented course or vocational course. Nowadays, as I told, there are some universities. They are also introducing separate degree courses also in tourism and hospitality management. We do have a lot of universities, affiliated universities, where you will be having the bachelor's in and master's also in tourism. So if you complete this bachelor's or master's, you will be having a chance of becoming a manager. You can straight away approach for the managerial level. So, and if you are an intermediate student, if you want to continue, if you want to, you can say, earn while learning, you can do this course. You can complete the course immediately. If there is a job opening, you join there. Okay, and you can join there. Then you can immediately appoint, somebody will appoint you, and you can continue the job. Also simultaneously you can continue with the degree also. So these are the some of the things here. And of course, if you wants to join any airlines also as a salesperson, if you're a graduate, they definitely prefer fresh graduates. तो अगर आप लोग फ्रेश ग्रेजुएट्स अगर हैं तो ऑब्वियसली एयरलाइंस वाले जो है फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस देंगे ग्रेजुएट को. एंड उन लोग का फिर अपना दे विल बी हैविंग देयर ओन इंटरनल ट्रेनिंग्स. आप ट्रेनिंग करने के बाद में देन यू कैन जस्ट continue the job there. So, then if you see, we have vast industry. You can work for airlines. As I told you, आप जो है travel agency के लिए job कर सकते हैं. Travel agencies में we have a lot of travel agencies, not only for flight tickets. अभी मैं आपको बताया था tour packages का भी आप कर सकते हैं आप लोग. We can do with the visa company also, visa department also. We can do a foreign exchange, which is very कैन से जो इंडिया के लिए स्पेशली इकोनॉमी इंक्रीज करता है फॉरेन एक्सचेंज. वी हैव सो दैट कम्स अंडर एविएशन इंडस्ट्री ओनली. सो दिस इज द चेन ऑफ द बिजनेसेस इन द वन अम्ब्रेला यू कैन से. आप जैसे कि मैंने बताया आपको होटल बुकिंग्स, ऑब्वियसली दोज हु आर ट्रैवलिंग दे डेफिनेटली लुक फॉर होटल्स और पैकेजेस का भी लोग देखते हैं. सम पैसेंजर्स को या जो है कोई कॉर्पोरेट कंपनी दे वांट टू टेक द स्टाफ, तो होटल का भी जो लोग जो है होटल में भी जो देन वी हैव कम टू हॉस्पिटैलिटी. वी हैव lots of scope in hospitality also, like hotels, 5-star hotels में जो जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज रहते हैं. इफ यू सी हियर, आपका वहाँ पे ऑपरेशन डिपार्टमेंट रहेगा, फ्रंट ऑफिस है, हाउस कीपिंग है, एंड फूड एंड बेवरेजेस, अकाउंट्स डिपार्टमेंट, मेंटेनेंस, सेल्स एंड परचेज, security, then you have public relations officers. So these are some of the departments in hotels. So not only for airlines or airport or travel agency, then we have जैसा 5 स्टार होटल्स है उनके पास में आपको जो है एक सेपरेट ट्रैवल काउंटर भी रहेगा. तो इफ somebody has done a course in ticketing, they can sitting there in the hotel and serve to the passengers. उनका जो भी passengers रहेगा, you can serve to them. So and then these are the some of the जैसा tourism departments है जो slides में बता रहा हूँ मैं आप लोग को. These are the some of the travel tourism departments जहाँ पे जो है openings भी रहते हैं, reservations, counter staff है, sales and marketing staff है, entrepreneurs हैं. Yes, somebody is raising a hand. Any doubt? Hello.
Attendees, please
Yeah.
type in the chat box. We will get back to you there. Continue, sir, please. Thank you.
Yeah. Now, if you see the important features of travel and tourism industry, अब यहाँ पे देखिए आप, it is as I discussed you earlier, travel and tourism जो है, it is a very large scale business. If you just see here, these are some of the advantages you can say or features of the industry. The industry includes everything from the government tourism departments and major multinational companies to the small scale private travel agencies. तो यानी इतना economy, almost more than 40% of economy is depends on tourism if you talk about worldwide. So उसमें जो है अब आप देखें होटल्स का भी आ गया वहाँ पर, फॉरेन एक्सचेंज आ गया आपका, एंड पिलग्रिम टूर्स आ गया उसमें आपका, देन एडवेंचर टूर्स है या जो है बिजनेस टूर, ओकेशनल टूर या लीजर टूर्स, होटल बुकिंग्स, कार रेंटल्स, and if somebody wants any bus services or self-drive car and all. Now if you see these all are, it is a chain business. आप एक business अगर आप देखें तो it is connected with all the transport type of transport business. So obviously it affects the country a lot if the travel. If you see the economy of the total economy of the country, it 40% of the economy is almost depends on the travel tourism aviation industry, I can say. इसमें देखिए आपको, एंड नाउ इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द पर्क्स एंड पेमेंट्स, द सैलरीज, अब इसमें डिपेंड्स ऑन एक्सपीरियंस. जैसे मैंने पहले बताया आप लोग को कि जिस तरह से आपका एक्सपीरियंस होगा, बीइंग ए फ्रेशर, ऑब्वियसली द पे स्केल्स वुड बी वेरी लेस. आप थोड़ा सा एक्सपीरियंस होंगे, मिड एक्सपीरियंस लेवल में आएंगे तो आपका सैलरी थोड़ा सा मॉडरेट होगा. देन वंस यू कम टू रीच टू अ हायर लेवल, ऑब्वियसली द सैलरीज विल बी मोर कंपेयर टू द नॉर्मल पर्सन और अनएक्सपीरियंस पर्सन. नो एज आई टोल्ड कि काफ़ी सारे डिफरेंट टाइप के कोर्सेज हैं इसमें टूरिज्म में, नॉट ओनली फॉर टिकटिंग. अभी लोग काफ़ी सारे लोग ये बोलते हैं कि भाई ऑनलाइन टिकटिंग आ गया ना, तो अभी अब ये बिजनेस कैसा है. बिजनेस इज वेरी लेस नाउ डेज क्योंकि एवरीबडी इज परचेसिंग ऑनलाइन. यस ऑफ कोर्स दे आर परचेसिंग ऑनलाइन, बट डेफिनेटली like we are not comfortable still with the online business, online ticketing या online purchasing, because if something goes wrong online, like if I purchase a ticket, we have several experiences every day. We used to talk to the passenger. लोग जब online purchase करते हैं, they will not read the conditions of the ticket or terms and conditions. They simply कुछ भी आप purchase कर लिया online, फिर जो है जब लोग को सर्विस की बात आती है, देन दे आर अनएबल टू गेट दैट रेस्पॉन्स फ्रॉम द ऑनलाइन पोर्टल क्योंकि फिजिकली नोबडी इज देयर. तो इसके लिए फॉर दैट दे डेफिनेटली रिक्वायर अ पर्सन हु हैंडल्स द सर्विसेज, राइट. तो इसके लिए हम लोग बोल सकते हैं आपके भाई आप सर्विस के लिए, बिकॉज दिस इज टोटली प्योरली सर्विस इंडस्ट्री, द बेस्ट यू सर्व टू योर कस्टमर, आपका जो है ना कस्टमर फिर आप ही के साथ रहेगा. So this definitely increase the volume of the business. So totally depends on the staff, and there is, because being into a service industry, there is no time bound. आपको जब भी कस्टमर का रिक्वायरमेंट कुछ इमरजेंसी रहेगा तो you have to approach to the, you should be available 24/7 to the customer. आप चाहे जॉब कर रहे हो या अपना सेल्फ बिजनेस हो, you make sure that this is a service industry, so you should be available 24/7. ना आपका फेस्टिवल रहेगा, ना आपका कोई संडे रहेगा, ना कोई हॉलीडे रहेगा। तो आपको यू हैव टू मेक श्योर आप इफ यू आर एंटरिंग दिस इंडस्ट्री, इट इज बेस्ड ऑन अ सर्विस इंडस्ट्री। तो काफी सारे कस्टमर्स ऐसे हैं, दे वांट अ गुड सर्विस, रादर यू नो दे विल पे यू सर्विस फी, सर्विस चार्ज, बट उनको अच्छा वाला सर्विस चाहिए। तो आपको मेक श्योर दैट कि आप जब ये इंडस्ट्री में एंटर हो रहे हैं तो आपको यू हैव टू मेक अप योर माइंड कि यू कैन नॉट गो एज पर योर फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी। आपको कस्टमर के रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से आपको अपने आप को फ्लेक्सिबल करना पड़ेगा। सो दीज आर दी थिंग्स यू हैव टू कीप इट इन अ माइंड। और जैसे मैंने बताया आपको, द एवरी डे इज ए लर्निंग डे, द मोर यू लर्न यू मे गेट एक्सपीरियंस। अब आप जैसे टिकटिंग के प्रोसेस आप करेंगे तो व्हाट हैपेंस इज यू नो आपका जो है, if you do if you have experience in ticketing, a ticketing person can work on at the airport on in the airlines, राइट। सेम वाइज अगर आप एयरलाइंस का कोई कोर्स कर रहे हैं या आप एयरपोर्ट पर कोई जॉब कर रहे हैं तो दैट पर्सन विल बी ऑब्वियसली दे हैव उनको जो है उस चीज का आदत हो जाएगा कि दे विल बी यूज्ड टू एट द एयरपोर्ट ओनली, दे विल वर्क एट द एयरपोर्ट, दे प्रेफर टू वर्क एट द एयरपोर्ट क्योंकि उनको वहाँ का एनवायरनमेंट पसंद आएगा, वहाँ दे आर फ्लेक्सिबल विद द एनवायरनमेंट। सम पीपल दे उनका एक एम रहता है कि जो है ना यू गो विजिट और यू गो टू ड्रॉप समवन एट द एयरपोर्ट, आपको जो है इमीडिएटली आपको ख्वाहिश होता है कि चलो लेट मी do this course, I want to do this course। तो कुछ स्टूडेंट्स उसमें अट्रैक्ट होके करते हैं। बट सो यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट अगेन एट द एयरपोर्ट आल्सो समटाइम्स आपको जो है 24/7 ड्यूटी करना पड़ता है। इफ somebody is absent you have to in a roster they will your shift will have to continue for 24 hours। so you have to be very careful, you have to be very you have to be ready कि आप जब भी जो है आपको जरूरत पड़ेगा you should be available। then we have the PRO, you have to have good PRO with your customers। Why? Because आपका जो response रहेगा customer को that only attracts। so आप when you respond to somebody you have to be very careful with the customer। जो आप commitment कर रहे हैं you have to fulfill that commitment। this is very dedicated duty you have to do। जैसे आप किसी को कोई कस्टमर को फेयर कोटेशन कुछ फेयर दे रहे हैं आप, तो you have to make sure that you have to tell all the terms and conditions of the fair। because nowadays being online आप आज एक फेयर देते हैं, कल आप कस्टमर को कल प्राइसिंग करके फेयर देंगे तो कल शायद मे बी सेम फेयर माइट नॉट बी देयर। तो यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल। अकॉर्डिंगली अगर कोई वीजा करना है आपको, कोई कस्टमर का आपको डॉक्यूमेंट कलेक्ट करना है तो यू हैव टू गो विद वन गोल। आप जो है ना तो यू हैव टू बी वेरी प्रोफेशनल इन दिस इंडस्ट्री। अनप्रोफेशनली आप जॉब करेंगे तो आपका जॉब आपको जो है आगे भी नहीं होगा और आपका जो है ना जॉब फुलफिल रिक्वायरमेंट उतना नहीं कर पाएंगे, आपका एम्प्लॉयर भी विल नॉट बी गेट सेटिस्फाइड विद यू। तो आप जो है यू हैव टू मेक श्योर कि जो है आप जो जॉब कर रहे हैं यू शुड सेटिस्फाई योरसेल्फ एंड आल्सो यू हैव टू गिव योर बेस्ट। जैसे ने बताया आपको मैंने कि जो है इसमें आपको एयरलाइंस में भी जो है वी हैव what you can say, इसमें आपको और एक कोर्स रहेगा GDS और CRS। so it is GDS is it will be termed as a global distribution system or CRS is a computerized reservation system। that is nothing but a system which will be connected with all the airlines के सारे airlines के system के साथ में वो connected रहेगा। the example that is nothing but a booking tool। so that is a mediator between you and the airlines। एग्जाम्पल somebody ask you a fare or somebody wants to check out the seat availability या कोई फ्लाइट की टाइमिंग चेक करना चाह रहा है, कोई पूछ रहा है कस्टमर को आपको, तो आपको सिस्टम पे चेक करके बता सकते हैं आप, राइट। so this thing can be done even on online portal also। but आपको जो GDS में like we have several software companies where that will be connected with airline system। तो उनको जो है immediately if one single seat is also available वो सिस्टम में बताएगा आपको। ऑनलाइन पोर्टल पे इट माइट बी रॉन्ग बट दिस सिस्टम बिकॉज दिस इज डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड विद एयरलाइन सिस्टम। ये जो आपके GDS या CRS है like I name it as Amadeus, Galileo, Sabre, Abacus, Apollo, some of the companies are there and the topmost are Amadeus and Galileo। so different region has different GDS used by different in different countries बट मोस्टली यूज जो होता है एमईडीएस और गैलीलियो है। ओके एंड अपॉर्चुनिटी की बात करें जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी की, तो आपको इवन इन गल्फ एंड मिडिल ईस्ट कंट्रीज लॉट ऑफ ट्रैवल एजेंसीज आर देयर। तो आपको यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा लोकल एक्सपीरियंस होने के बाद में इफ यू वांट टू मूव अब्रॉड यू कैन डू दैट आल्सो। There was separate, a lot of airports are also opening day by day. Airports are in expansion. तो आपको एयरपोर्ट जॉब्स की अपॉर्चुनिटीज भी रहेगी, बट इफ यू वांट टू ट्रैवल अब्रॉड थोड़ा सा आपको लोकल एक्सपीरियंस प्रीफर करेंगे। तो मेक श्योर आप जो भी टारगेट कर रहे हैं, वॉट एवर कोर्स यू वांट टू डू, यू हैव टू मेक अ टारगेट कि मुझे ये करना है। उसके बाद में सेम प्रोफाइल में आपको जॉब हंट करने का है। तो आप जो है डेफिनेटली, आप अगर आपको सब्जेक्ट की नॉलेज रहेगी, इफ यू आर केपेबल ऑफ फेसिंग एन इंटरव्यू, आपके जो भी एम्प्लॉयर से आपका इंटरव्यू हो रहा है, दे शुड एटलीस्ट वांट सम मिनिमम नॉलेज शुड बी देयर राइट फ्रॉम द स्क्रैच। अगर आप बोलेंगे मुझे पूरा सीखना है फिर करना है, तो नोबडी विल गिव यू। तो यू शुड गिव सम, यू हैव टू लर्न सम कोर्सेस। तो डिफरेंट कोर्सेस आर देयर, लाइक जैसे एयरपोर्ट ग्राउंड हैंडलिंग है, दैट इज प्योरली फॉर एयरपोर्ट जॉब्स। वी हैव एयरलाइंस डिप्लोमा इन एयरलाइंस टिकटिंग, अगर आप कर रहे हैं विद जीडीएस, बोथ जीडीएस गैलीलियो एंड एमईडीएस, आप दोनों जीडीएस करेंगे, इट विल बी प्लस पॉइंट फॉर यू। व्हाई? बिकॉज some travel agencies and some airlines they use MEDS, some will use Galileo. अगर आपने Galileo का कोर्स किया है ना, if you have MEDS, it will be a problem for you. You have to wait till you get an opening, जो एजेंसी में MEDS है तो वहीं पे आपको वेट करना पड़ेगा। सो इट इज एडवाइजेबल, आप जितना ज़्यादा कोर्स करेंगे उतना आपके लिए बेनिफिट होगा, एंड यू द मोर यू हैव नॉलेज, आपके लिए भी प्लस पॉइंट रहेगा उस चीज़ का। So you can do GDS courses also. Then if you do that, आपका जो corporate companies like software companies are there, they will be having a travel desk. They appoint a person who has a ticketing knowledge, who has visa knowledge. हर country का visa का requirement अलग रहेगा, so they prefer any travel background person. So this is evergreen industry, I can say. Why? Because ट्रैवलिंग तो कभी रुकेगा नहीं, तो ऑब्वियसली आपका जो रिक्वायरमेंट है मार्केट का, डे बाय डे इट इज इंक्रीजिंग बिकॉज द ट्रैवल हैज गॉट इंक्रीज्ड। Now at present, of course, due to this pandemic, lot of other businesses also affected, और अभी तो जो है because every 2 days new guidelines is there for the different countries, different regions in different areas. तो जो है आपको it is quite difficult now. अगर आपको जो है फ्यूचर की अगर आप बात करें तो इन अपकमिंग डेज डेफिनेटली व्हाट वी फेल्ट इज कि जो है अभी आने वाले दिनों में फ्रेशर्स के लिए ज़्यादा रिक्वायरमेंट है कंपेयर टू द एक्सपीरियंस पर्सन्स। ओके, तो आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ दिस कोर्स आपको काफ़ी सारे दूसरे like in aviation only, in travel only, you have different type of jobs openings will be there. As I told you earlier, hotels है, implant है, implant. What is implant? Implant is nothing but, example, Wipro is a software company. Now they want to have a person who sits in their office and work for their employees. उनका ट्रैवल रिक्वायरमेंट जो भी करेगा, वीजा का, फॉरेन एक्सचेंज का, होटल बुकिंग, कार पिकअप है, फ्लाइट टिकट है, डोमेस्टिक टिकट से, just want to manage or organized the travel requirement of their employees. तो उसके लिए क्या है, they will appoint they will have a travel desk and they want to have the travel coordinator sitting in their office, work for them, for their employees only. That is called implant. Okay, so like Thomas Cook. Thomas is a travel agency, a travel company, corporate company. Now they'll open their counter in some software company. So that will be called as the implant. So these are the openings, job openings are there. Lot of opportunities are there. अभी जैसा पिलग्रिम क्रूज है हज उम्रा के लिए, आपको तो lot of peoples who wants to travel for Hajj or Umrah and all, you can use that. Apart from that, there will be other pilgrim places also, like in domestic, like in India, चार धाम है और काफी सारे डोमेस्टिक जो है दर्शन वगैरह है, तो उस पर भी जो है आप काफी सारे टूर कंपनीज आर वर्किंग ऑन दैट ऑल्सो। तो उसमें भी आप लोग को जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं। लोकल ट्रैवल एजेंसीज में भी जो है काफी सारे जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलेंगे आपको। एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, जैसा मैंने पहले बताया था आपको, क्योंकि जो है इफ यू आर अ टूर ऑर्गेनाइजर, इफ यू आर अ टूर कंडक्टर, like a lot of people are used to come from China, Germany, France and all. So there is a huge demand of translators also. So as a tour guide, अगर आप tour guide हैं with a translator, so you'll be having good pays on daily basis. Day wise आपका pay scales अलग अलग रहता है। So these are the things. We have a lot of openings in upcoming days also, we are going to have a lot of job opportunities for freshers also. And as I told you earlier, यही एक कोर्स है जो immediately आपको जॉब्स के लिए भी आप प्रेफर कर सकते हैं। अगर आपको थोड़ा सा नॉलेज हो गया है, यू कैन बी अपॉइंटेड एज ए ट्रेनी। आपको 3 months to 6 months ट्रेनिंग देके कॉर्पोरेट कंपनीज देन दे themselves will appoint you as a जूनियर एग्जीक्यूटिव लेवल। फिर वहां से आपका एक्सपीरियंस जितना आपका बढ़ेगा, जो जितना आपका हार्ड वर्क रहेगा, डिपेंड्स ऑन दैट they will be having they will promote you as per your response। आपका किस तरह से परफॉर्मेंस रहेगा, डिपेंड्स ऑन दैट। आपका जो हार्ड वर्क रहेगा दैट विल डेफिनेटली टेक यू टू स्पेसिफिक लेवल। और जैसा मैंने बताया आपको कि जो है, you should be ready for work at the odd times। there will be no timing, okay? So because obviously it will not be on daily basis, it might be on a rare basis, but you have to be ready for that। so these are the some of the advantages of the industry। so that's it from my end, Khatija.
So the first question is Al Amin asking, Assalamu alaikum. I am a BBA graduate and also have completed IATA course. I worked with
Okay.
Oman Air for 4 months as ticketing executive, and I quit my job as want to work as a tour guide, but for the past 1 year I'm jobless. Can you guide me to get a job? I have already tried in various online job portal, but no response.
Okay. You can share the CV with Asma. She'll forward it to me. Where you stay? Any,
He has not mentioned that.
mentioned anywhere. Okay. Let him share the CV with you, with your organization.
Okay.
I'll just see if I can able to help in his station where he's staying.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. So I hope you have noted down, Alamin.
Alamin, yeah.
The next question is, in case we leave that field, what are the other things we can do? The question is vague.
Means he's an experienced guy.
I think this is an anonymous
He just done a
attendee.
course.
He says,
Okay.
in case we leave that field, what are the other things we can do? I think he's referring to tourism field.
Okay.
I-
If he has leave the field, then obviously if he has some experience, I mean, he don't want to continue with the same aviation industry. His question is not clear actually.
Yeah, actually the question is not clear. Can you please rephrase your question, whoever has posted this, and we will get back to Al Amin has said that he's from Chennai.
Chennai. Okay.
Teacher, I have to ask him to share his mobile number because you also stay in Chennai. I can just help him also.
Okay. So, sir, another question.
Yeah.
Which is the very famous or well-known university where we can do this courses?
Nowadays it is
In
online,
India.
so you can sit anywhere, and yes, of course
Okay.
we have IIPM is there.
Mm-hmm.
We have in Hyderabad, if you talk about, we have National Institute of Hospitality and Tourism Management.
Okay.
National Institute of Hospitality and Tourism Management. Nowadays it is online, so if he is not even in Hyderabad, if he's somewhere else, he can do this course online.
Okay.
They have different courses are there, long-term courses, 3 years, bachelor's degree, master's, 2 years master's is also there. Can be done from anywhere.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Okay. And any other international universities you would recommend?
We have, as I told, IIM is there. If he tells me in which city he is, then it will be easy for me to refer.
Al Amin is from Chennai. The other
Okay.
person, the question was not clear.
Yeah, no, the third one who told that he wants to do this course. I mean, he or she is related from which city he is? Did he mention
No,
city?
he didn't mention. Okay, we move on to the next question. If someone have already graduated from another field and now interested in this industry, airlines, hotel and tourism, what is the best
Yeah.
course to be preferred?
Yeah, first they can do a diploma in airlines ticketing and airport ground handling. Then they can immediately join in any employer in any company. Once they get an experience, they, again depends on their experience interest, whether he wants to go to a hospitality department or to a ticketing and airport. So depends on that, they can do this course. Any graduate, like we have a lot of BTech people who has joined to this industry and they are working at the airports now as a customer service executive or a baggage handling or in security or different divisions at the airport. So as I told, there is no age bar, there is no qualification bar, but preference is we tell students to at least make yourself at least from the distance learning complete your graduation. Why? Because after, if you're a graduate, if there is opening in airlines at the airport, they prefer first the fresh graduates. They prefer graduates only, not 10, 12th standard or 10 plus 2 or discontinued person. Again, if they join there at the time of promotions, if they are not a graduate, they don't, airlines will not prefer to appoint undergraduates people actually. So as he questioned, he has done a graduation with different field. Now he wants to join. My suggestion is to do even he can do IATA course or he can do any tourism course.
Okay. Okay, thank you,
Yeah.
sir. Next question.
Yes.
In aviation industry, what are the other jobs we can do, like private business, etc.?
Yeah, they can open their own as a travel agency. As I told, they can become they can open a tour package company, or they can do pilgrim tours, or they can approach to a corporate business. They can make a corporate for corporate ticketing and all. So they can do different type of travel business. Now they can work for, even they can take a contract of a BPO call center also. If they want to start up a business, they can do that. Yeah, because nowadays a lot of US based or UK based companies they are approaching to Indian market. Why? Because the cost wise it is very cheaper. So they prefer to have a call center in India or in any Asian countries, so that first of all the time difference is also there, and secondly the cost is very less. If they open office in India and run from here with the staff, a US travel agency, it is very cheaper for them. So even they can have a contract with some company and start a business as a BPO call center in India.
Okay. Any other questions from the attendees? Please type in the Q&A box.
Najib sir, it's better you share your mail ID because Amin, he wanted to share a CV.
Yeah.
So kindly share your mail ID, sir.
Okay. I'll just enter in the chat box.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Khadija already introduced myself and my academy's details. So we just small introduction of our company. We just started in 2000. We are actually Hyderabad based. So we have office in Hyderabad, and I myself work for more than 2 decades with the different companies and different organizations. And this is what we have achieved, what we have done. और हमारे students जो है I definitely love to tell that they are working with different big corporate companies. They are working at the airport, working abroad. So a lot of students are there who's working now. They have become very experienced. And we have ये थोड़े courses हैं हमारे. This GDS short term course not is totally online. तो आज का जो सब online ही है, आप देख सकते हैं. GDS is nothing but a global distribution system. Because if you do a live training आप लोग को ये डिप्लोमा कोर्सेस आप लोग करेंगे तो इट विल बी वेरी इजी फॉर यू टू डू IATA. व्हाट इज IATA? IATA is nothing but it is a International Air Transport Association. So जैसा अपना सॉफ्टवेयर में या आप नेटवर्किंग में माइक्रोसॉफ्ट सर्टिफाइड कोर्सेस रहते हैं, सिमिलरली इन एविएशन इंडस्ट्री वी हैव IATA कोर्सेस. तो हम लोग ऑलमोस्ट वी आर कवरिंग अप IATA बेस्ड सिलेबस एंड कंप्लीटिंग द कोर्सेस. सिर्फ जो डिफरेंस रहेगा वो डिप्लोमा का रहेगा. द डिप्लोमा विल बी इशूड फ्रॉम ब्राइटनेस एविएशन एकेडमी, और जो आप IATA कोर्सेज जो करता है दैट सर्टिफिकेट विल बी इशूड फ्रॉम IATA. दैट्स ओनली डिफरेंट. Knowledge wise, course wise, topic wise, we are covering the same. तो ये देखिए आपका 3 months का we have a long term course, 2 months का course है. Any 10+2 या graduate person can do this course. So nowadays it is totally online. तो आप irrespective of any city, आप कौन सी भी city में होंगे आप जो है ना courses कर सकते हैं online. We have specific timing batches are there. हम जो है वो batch timing बना के वो हिसाब से online पे training भी दे रहे हैं. So we do have, as I told you, implant, travel desk and corporate. ये 3 months का course है. So we have several different courses. This is for tourism management. This is for management level. जो travel business शुरू करना चाह रहे हैं, for them we have separate course. उसमें पूरे divisions, पूरे operations से लेके आपको sales, everything is covered in this course. Like इवन सप्लायर किससे आपको कौन सी चीज परचेस करना है वो भी आपको उसमें गाइड किया जाएगा. नाउ वी आल्सो हैव, आई फॉरगॉट टू टेल यू इन दिस सेशन आल्सो, वी हैव स्पेशल कोर्स इवन फॉर अकाउंट्स. अभी कोई अकाउंट्स बैकग्राउंड के है, नाउ दे वांट टू जंप इनटू अ ट्रैवल एजेंसी और ट्रैवल एविएशन इंडस्ट्री, वी हैव अ स्पेशल कोर्स फॉर, बिकॉज अकाउंटिंग जो है ट्रैवल एजेंसी का थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट रहेगा कंपेयर टू द नॉर्मल अकाउंटेंट. तो आपको वी आल्सो हैव, वी हैव डिजाइन्ड अ कोर्स especially for travel agency accounts. So those who are from a travel commerce background, अगर वो लोग भी जो है aviation industry आना चाहें तो they can also come in by doing this course. And of course we have airport ground handling course. This is purely for airport jobs. Those who have a passion to work at the airport, उनके लिए specialized design किया हुआ course है. And these are some of the list of our staff who is working in different airlines and different companies in India as well as abroad. That's it from my end. ये हमारा छोटा सा introduction है हमारे institute का. Yeah.
Okay. Thanks. So we get back to the Q&A.
Yeah. Any questions, please?
Okay. Yeah, we have a few questions now. Is there any particular field to join aviation industry, or we can join it from any faculty?
Join aviation industry, or we can join from any.
You want me to repeat?
Yeah, now I'm just reading the question. Any particular field to join aviation industry? There is no. It is welcome for all. As I told you, there is no specific, like any background person can. First, you should have some knowledge. So, usually you have to do some course. So, it is advisable at least attend some short-term course. Once you have some basic knowledge, then you can go with the practical experience, join somewhere, work somewhere. Then if you want to do further courses, you can do international courses also in this. As I told you, IATA and all. So we have different courses are there. So any from any background, you can join to this industry. All are welcome. There is no specification as such. Yeah, I got one more question. Do you provide any job assistance?
Yeah. Job assistance.
Yeah, we do have assistance. Again, as I told you, it depends on it belongs to which city. It is from Atif Sheikh. Okay, so if he have any, it depends on his job experience also. Which experience as a fresher is asking, or he has done some course. So depends on that. I can able to guide him. Not an issue. Just mentioning he joined lately.
I think there are another few questions from him.
Yeah. Can someone start parallel business by doing course? Yes, of course. It depends on your capacity. If you're able to cope up, if you're able to balance both, you can do that. Because course will be, it will just for 2 hours or 3 hours you have to spend, but you have to practice it also. That's more important. So the more you practice, the more you get around the subject.
So I think we can wrap up the session. We have
Yeah,
covered all the
sure.
questions. Thank you very much,
Oh,
sir.
yes.
It was an insightful session. I hope the attendees will have a clear understanding of this career. Thank you very much, sir.